Hello everybody, and thank you for tuning in to CTAC Lighting's Lowdown on Lockdown, where this week we are going to be featuring Two Parts. Two Parts is a very unique design and manufacturing company that is currently based in New York City and was started by a New York architect by the name of Crystal Logan, who is currently our very close working partner. He started this brand in 2016 with the very successful launch of his 3D ceramic printed lighting fixtures. Now, the success of this collection was really based on the fact that it was minimal design, performance-driven fixtures, but that the manufacturing process and the idea that he has behind this collection is to be less manpower and only rely on a few machines in order to produce these fixtures and get them from New York City to your project. So a lot of what you're going to see is going to be what you see is what you get. Not very many modifications can be made, but I'm sure that this product as specified in its natural state will very well suit your project needs. One of the first ideas that Crystal had when designing these fixtures was to create a universal canopy that could be used for every single fixture within his collection. So the cluster luster is essentially a canopy that can mount up to 7 fixtures standard, so no special specifying needed for this. It comes standard with knockouts available on the side, or you can mount a single fixture from the center. It's designed to fit over a standard 4-inch J-box and is only about half an inch in depth. Helium and hydrogen were two of the fixtures that were initially launched in the 2016 collection. This gained a lot of attention because these fixtures are actually done by a 3D printing of matte white resin. The light source is an onboard LED, which is housed at the bottom of the fixture, reflecting up, so it's actually bouncing off the internal body, giving you a really beautiful glow. It's performance driven with 500 delivered lumens and a 95 CRI, so really great for picking up color rendering. It has triac, EOV, and 0 to 10 volt dimming standard for the driver, and a 20-foot cord so you can cut and fill to desired lengths. In 2019, Crystal launched his second generation of fixtures, which included calcium and lithium. Both of these fixtures are almost the exact same as the profile is identical. The exception is that calcium is the indirect light version, whereas of lithium is the direct light version. Both are giving you an 800 delivered lumens with, again, 95 CRI, same dimming capabilities as helium and hydrogen, and a 20-foot cord standard and available to mount on that universal canopy. Now to one of my personal favorites, which is the carbon. This is a very beautiful product, and really pictures don't even do it justice. But the performance is a performance in 1,000 single piece. It's really used in webbing patterns, and we encourage designers to get very creative with how they can create compositions with this unique form factor. So here is just a couple standard configuration and ideas of how you can use these in groupings and patterns. The picture that you're seeing is a view from below, but I want to mention that this is a great product to consider for a double mezzanine where you have a viewing from above. The pattern of light is just as seamless above as it is below. Where the cord meets the fixture is seamless, so it doesn't create a break in the light. It's a 360-degree illuminated product, and it creates this beautiful pattern that is both enjoyable from above and below. The last fixture that I'm going to show you is Oxygen, which is a very minimal design vertical mounted ring. This is perfect to use in grouping in clusters for a unique chandelier composition. It's not going to provide as much general illumination down to the surface as it is lit from the inside shining in. So this is definitely going to be a nice contrast, something to mount maybe over an island or create a unique chandelier, but it's really seamless and beautiful design. And that was Two Parts. So just to keep in mind, IES files, Revit files, and drawings all available along with spec sheets on the website for all of these products that you've seen today. We want to make sure that you have all of the necessary tools to build these into your designs and get your client excited to use Two Parts on their project. If you have any questions at all about creating unique compositions, please feel free to reach out and let us know. Thanks so much.